Welcome to Metro Labs, School Lab Furniture. Thank you for your continued support. We are pleased you found our previous videos informative. Are you ready to create an amazing mathematics laboratory that exceeds CBSE standards? You're in the right place. We will provide a practical, step-by-step guide to transforming your mathematics curriculum for effortless CBSE compliance. National Education Policy emphasizes the foundational role of NEP 1986 in shaping mathematical education, highlights the long-standing recognition of mathematics as a critical tool for cognitive development. The National Education Policy 2020 takes mathematics learning to the next level, connects mathematics to the evolving technological landscape, positions mathematics as an essential skill for success in emerging fields. For the physical infrastructure of your mathematics lab, according to the CBSE guidelines, it should be minimum room size 500 square feet. Coming up next, mathematics lab storage and fixtures, as per CBSE affiliation SOP. Display board, for showcasing mathematical models, student projects, important formulas, and concept demonstrations. Combination blackboard, a blackboard with half plane surface and half graph surface, enabling both regular explanation and graphical representation during mathematical activities. Storage racks, adequate open racks for storing mathematical models, manipulatives, measuring tools, geometric instruments, charts, and teaching aids, ensuring easy accessibility for students and teachers. Storage almirah, a lockable almirah for safe storage of reference books, mathematical kits, project materials, and other lab equipment to maintain an organized and secure learning environment. Demonstration table and student seating. As per CBSE guidelines, demonstration table, a centrally positioned table for teachers to effectively demonstrate mathematical concepts, models, and experiments. Student seating, proper seating arrangements ensuring each student has a comfortable and designated seat. Interactive learning. The layout should promote engagement, clear sightlines, and hands-on activities. CBSE compliance. The setup should align with CBSE affiliation requirements for an effective learning environment. Ensure with 40 seating facilities with lab stools. Metrolabs offers expert guidance and customized solutions designed to meet CBSE norms and standards, ensuring every aspect of your school's mathematics laboratory aligns with compliance requirements. We provide tailored options for mathematics lab tables, storage solutions, mathematical kits. Metrolabs lab tables are ergonomically designed with a fixed height, ensuring optimal comfort and easy accessibility for students of all age groups, promoting proper posture and an engaging learning environment. Spacious and comfortable. Metrolabs lab tables feature generous work surfaces, thoughtfully designed to accommodate both individual tasks and collaborative group activities, ensuring flexibility and ease of use in the mathematics laboratory. Durability. Metrolabs lab tables are built with sturdy construction, designed to withstand daily use, regular student interaction, and frequent movement, ensuring long-lasting performance in busy school environments. Premium materials. Metrolabs lab tables are crafted from high-quality granite with a protective epoxy coating, ensuring effortless cleaning, exceptional durability, and superior resistance to wear, stains, and chemical exposure. Versatility. Metrolabs lab tables feature modular designs, allowing them to be easily rearranged to accommodate varied group sizes, collaborative projects, and a range of mathematical activities, ensuring flexibility for dynamic classroom needs. Maximize your lab storage potential. Discover our range of wall-mounted shelves, mobile storage units, and drawer units. Boost your students' math skills. Get a quality mathematical kit at an affordable price, perfect for both junior and senior students. Our kits provide junior and senior students with an interactive and immersive learning experience, using high-quality materials to bring math concepts to life. At Metrolabs, we expertly design, manufacture, supply, and install premium school lab furniture, ensuring safety, durability, and functionality. Get a tailored lab solution. Click the link in the description for a free quote and a customized layout that perfectly fits your lab space. Start your lab setup today. Reach out to us via WhatsApp or SMS at 7010075103 or email us at enquiry@schoolupfurniture.com. Our team will provide you with a customized quote and a detailed estimate drawing, tailored to your laboratory's specific requirements. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for upcoming videos. We will dive into the world of robotics laboratories, exploring their design, essential furniture, and setup requirements. Stay tuned and subscribe to ensure you don't miss out on more valuable insights.